What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me. We got a 15-minute bootcamp style workout. You will need a pair of weights and the mat. We will be doing some stuff on the ground, but if you have carpet, that's okay too. Here we go. Warm it on up. Nice and easy. We're starting with some inchworms. Bring it to the edge or just right where you're standing, feet shoulder width apart. Hinge over, walk it out. Hit that high plank as you walk it out. Walk it back slowly and then reach it up. Okay, nice and easy. Hips back. Soft bend in those knees. Reach it out. High plank. Activate the core. Working the lower back. Warming up the shoulders here. Hamstring stretch in the back of those legs. If you need to modify any of the moves that I do, go ahead and do so. I'll show you variations if you need it. But again, this is a more weighted workout, so if you want to just grab a couple pairs of weights, just to keep it nice and close to you so you can switch it out between any of the exercises, that's okay. Or just if you're losing form, you're getting tired, you drop it to a lighter weight, that's okay. So again, this format is going to be strength and cardio alternating. Bring it on up. Alright, grab one weight. Here we go. We're working first 3 side squats here, okay? So the weight's right here. We want a feet shoulder width, squat down. A little bit wider. Squat down. A little bit wider. Again, as I widen my stance, I'm shifting my weight to the center. Okay, so you can choose, okay? I'll let you choose how wide you want your squats. You just hitting those, bring those hips back. Nice and easy. Okay, so remember, that's perfect squat. You are working that back nice and tall. Hips back. You can double up both feet if you want. A little bit wider. Back into a sumo squat, that's okay. Chest up towards the front. Chest proud. Alright. Cardio for today. We are repeating all the way through the rounds. Okay, it's going to be ice skaters. Alright, here's an ice skater for you, okay? You stepping 1 foot back. Same arm comes down, and then you switch sides. If you have a little bit more, you can add a little hop. Working that distance, getting a little lower, touching that ground if you can. Working speed over here. Alright, just nice and easy here. Challenging yourselves with that cardio. You're gonna picking up speed as we progress through this workout. Again, that's why I'm doing this cardio through the whole entire workout, because I want you to challenge yourselves. I want you to perfecting that move. Getting a little lower, getting a little faster. Alright, so we got 4 intervals, 3 rounds, 15-second break in between each round. Do what you can. If you need more breaks, that's okay. You can take it. But as long as you're staying strong through the whole workout. If any time you're losing form, either one, take a little break, or 2, drop it to a lighter set of weights. Alright, back into that 3 side squats. Right here, feet shoulder width, basic squat first. Wider stance. Wider stance. Medium. And the normal squat. Okay, again, imaginary chair right behind you. I want you reaching your bottom, reaching those glutes for that chair. Okay, the lower you go, more challenging it is. The wider you go, more challenging as well. Okay, so you can adjust those 3 sizes. You pick. Great job, everybody. Second interval of cardio coming up next. Then we get a little break. First break for today. Alright, put those weights to the side. Back into the ice skater. Again, you can add a little hop if you have enough distance. You can get a little bit lower. You can get a little faster. Last interval for this round, then we already get our break. 15-second breather. So I want you pushing yourselves with that cardio. Okay, get a little lower. Get that leg back. Working balance. Okay, working that balance, working that core. Keep it strong, keep it tight, keep it breathing. Good. Might be feeling it in the lower back, that's okay. You're working it. Almost there. And relax. Take a little 15-second break here. Shake out the body. Shake out those arms. Alright, next up, back into those weights here. Alright, working that chest now. Rotated chest press here. Elbows wide. Fingertips, point them forward, okay? Point them towards me. Rotate, come back in. Elbows wide as you come back in. Exhale. Inhale as you come back, okay? Keep those fingertips forward. You want a little challenge. Take those fingertips away from that weight and squeeze. Squeeze that weight. Make sure it's not going anywhere. So with this, working a chest, working that chest with the press forward, working a little bit of biceps with the rotation here. Again, remember, always in front of that chest, always in line with the chest, elbows wide. Not here, okay, not down. Wide elbows. Working the shoulders a little bit. Good. Make sure that weight does not fall, okay? Ice skaters coming right back up, another set. Alright, put that weight to the side, ice skaters, when you're ready. Okay, focus on you, focus on how you're feeling, focus on the balance. Good, how we doing? Awesome. Great job, everybody. You got this, okay? Okay, do what you can. Fast as you can. Maintaining form, okay? So we don't compromise form with speed. So again, if you're getting tired, slow down. Low impact is okay. Higher impact, you add a little jump. Okay? Great job, everybody. Great job. Back into that rotated chest press coming up next. Get ready for that weight. Alright, back up into it. Weight right out in front. Here we go again. Again, you're rotating opposite direction every time you press out. We're not going the same one each time. So when you rotate one side, maybe right hand is down. Second time, left hand is down. That's what I mean by opposites. Great job. How are we doing? Good. Feel the burn, okay? Feel it. Working that chest, working shoulders, working biceps. Upper body moving here. Upper body working. Body sweating, body breathing. Almost there. A few more. Keep that core engaged, okay? Do not use momentum to get that weight out. Do not throw your back out of line to get that weight out. Alright. Right back into ice skaters one more time. We got one more round after this, then we got our finisher at the very end. We'll get a little break after this though. Great job. Are we picking up speed? Are we getting a little bit further with our ice skaters? Or even a little bit lower, touching that ground, getting that foot back. Almost there, 30 seconds left. Nice work, everybody. Keep it going, keep it going, keep pushing. Keep it breathing. All the way till the end. Give me a few more out. Even if you modify the moves, that's okay. And relax, take a little break. Final round coming up next. Grab water, wipe sweat. How are you feeling? Good? Alright. Both weights up. Alright, we're doing a frontal lateral raise. One arm in front, right here to the side. And then we switch. So as you can see, one weight is in front of the body, in front of the chest. One weight coming out to the side. And then we switch. Soft bend in those elbows, okay? Do not strain out the elbows. No need to bring those hands above the shoulder height, okay? That's what we're aiming for, just about in line with the shoulders. Exhale as you raise that weight up. Take your time on these. Shoulders aren't a very big muscle, so it doesn't require much weight to burn them out. So if you ever need to drop it to a lighter pair of weights, that's okay. Or just no weights too, that's fine too. If you only have one pair of weights and you can't get those hands up, those arms up, just do no weight and just do the motion. That's alright. It's always about doing what you can. Maintaining form. Alright, ice skaters, one more time. We got 2 more sets of these coming up, okay? 1 more after this. And then we got our finisher, then we call it, alright? You guys did awesome today. Now the key here is to stay strong all the way to the end. Pushing all the way to the end, okay? That's how you're gonna make that progress. That's how you're gonna reach your goal. Whatever that goal is, health goal, fitness goal. If you're still on that New Year's resolution, whatever it is, you got this. Okay, slow it down if you need to, but as long as you're moving still, doing something similar is okay. Good. Working core again, keeping a balance. Few more. Back into those weights. Last set. Alright, last set of these, okay? Again, one hand forward, one hand to the side. Right there. And then you switch sides. Chest stays forward, okay? I'm not rotating my chest. I'm not turning to the side. Chest stays to the front. Only thing moving are those arms. Again, getting those hands, arms about shoulder height. No need to get higher than that. Do not use momentum to swing that weight up. Lift with the arm, lift with the shoulder. Good job. Keep it breathing. Exhaling the breath as you lift that weight up. Weight's probably getting heavy. That's okay, we're almost there. 1 more set of ice skaters. And then we got our finisher. Great job, everyone. How are we doing? Are we sweating? Breathing, working, burning? All right, last round of last set of ice skaters. We're going all the way through. Stay strong. Keep pushing. Great job. Feeling good. Feeling sweaty. You guys did awesome today. Again, we're not quite there yet. We're gonna stay strong. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. We got this, 30 seconds left. Last 30. Get a little lower. Get a little faster, get a little wider. Give me a little bit bigger hop, side to side. All variations to challenge yourselves, remember. You're doing what you can. Working that body as much as you can. Alright, here we go, that final finisher, bicep press. Both weights in hand. Bicep curl, palms towards you. Press up. Nice and controlled. Final move here. You guys did awesome. You keep it working. Keep going. Keep breathing. How we feel? Sweaty? Tired? Out of breath? But you're still going. That's awesome. Nice and easy. Don't use momentum. Slow, controlled. Each move. Each rep. Working biceps, finishing off the shoulders. Final ones here, okay? Keep that chest, keep that core tight, keep it strong. Keep that body up. Okay, keep that back tall. Both feet balanced on the ground. Give me a few more out. And relax. All right, awesome job. How we do? Air fives here, right there. Shake out those arms, shake out those legs. You guys did awesome today. Again, if you needed more breaks than how many I gave you, next time around in a few days, try this workout again and then see if you can do it with less breaks. Maybe get even down to no breaks at all and just continue that last set through the whole rest break. That's okay. Again, it's always what you can. Okay, that's about that progress. One arm over, stretching out the shoulder. You're resisting the arms against each other, so the inside arm is pushing against the outside arm pulling in. Catch the breath. Recollect yourself. Switch sides. Just like any of my other workouts, if you're having it, check them out. They're all about progress. Always about doing what you can. Bring those arms back. Chin up, opening up the chest. Bring those hands forward, chin down, round the upper back. Still breathing. Sweating. Hands up, chin down. Let those arms drop down. Bring them back up, let them fall. Bring them up, let them fall. Pull in that right foot. You can hold an object if you need to. Hold the wall, hold the table. Right foot in, both knees close together. Foot in towards your bottom. Back is tall. Pull that foot in. Make sure you feel the quad stretch here. Switch sides, other foot up. Hold the balance. Again, for balance, it's all about just slow moving until you get to that point, okay? So take your time. Both feet down. Right knee coming up, one knee coming up. Back is nice and tall. Pull that knee up as tight as you can. Switch sides, other knee up. Feel the stretch right there in the back of that leg. Stretch out the glutes. Alright, gonna bring it down. Give me some arms over the chest right here. Alright, bring it on down. Nice and easy shoulder roll. Opposite direction. Alright, go ahead and relax. Go ahead and inhale. Exhale, come down. Inhale. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay up to date with all my workouts. I got plenty of workouts for you to check out. And they're all very similar. Doing what you can, showing you modifications. Bring it back up. Showing you modifications on different variations you can do. Bring it to center. Give yourselves a hand. Great job again. Give me some air fives. Let me know in the comments below how you felt during this workout. If you like this video and want to see more of it, give me that thumbs up. And again, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell icon for notifications if you like. And until next time, stay fit, stay flexed, and have a great rest of your day.